So you've just joined TikTok, or maybe you've been on for a while and you realize that you need 1,000 followers in order for you to go live and connect with your fans. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get your first 1,000 followers so you can make it happen. What's going on? My name is Quincy and I help you grow on TikTok, and I show you how to build your fan base so you can monetize your channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get your first 1,000 followers approximately in a week. But before I begin, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to TG9 Lays and Kayla G. Hey, thank you guys for commenting on the videos and staying engaged. If you would like to be selected as a comment winner, make sure if you're watching this video, comment below. Let me know your questions, concerns, anything you might want to ask. Or if I haven't covered something and you still have a concern, make sure you let me know. Comment your TikTok profile username so I can check you out and hopefully give you some feedback on your account. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. This way you will be notified every time I upload a video and you will not miss content like this that will help you out with tips and tricks. First and foremost, I want you to know that it is possible to get 1,000 followers or fans off of one video. But you gotta be smart and you gotta be strategic about it. As you know, the TikTok algorithm is constantly changing, but there are some things that you can do to make sure that your account is always growing. And we're gonna go ahead and get into those right now. Make sure you get ready to take some notes, a notepad on your phone. Here we go. Maybe you've already recorded a number of things and your account is still not growing. What I want to encourage you to do is while you're out and about, record different things that are going on in your surroundings. This will attract new viewers to your account who otherwise might not just want to see you, but they might want to see what you're into, what you like to do. I want to give you a list of things that you can film when you're drawing a blank and you're saying, man, what can I do today? What can I record today? I don't want to do a dance video. I don't want to do this. I'm always doing that. I'm going to give you a list of things that you can constantly create that will keep the consistency going on your account, making sure that your account is growing. Every day you can record a video reply to comment. This guarantees you a video every day. You know what you're gonna make. All you gotta do is find the comment. Now, I would pick a comment where either someone's making fun of you or maybe someone didn't spell something right. Those ones do really well. Any type of comment that has grammar issues in it, people are always replying to the video comment and usually saying something about maybe if you could learn how to spell this, but not attacking them, but just making it humorous and funny. So that is definitely a video that you can create every day, is replying to a comment with a video. Reaction videos never go away. There's constant videos being uploaded to TikTok, just like YouTube, that need a reaction. People want to see, what do other people think about this video? If you scroll on the For You page and you're cracking up laughing off of a video, that will be a perfect opportunity for you to do a reaction where you're a square in the top left-hand corner, or even a duet. You can never go wrong with a reaction video. So right off the bat, you have a video reply to comment, you have a reaction video. That's guaranteed 2 videos that you're making each day. And a third video I already mentioned, which is duetting videos. Another option is storytelling. If you are a good storyteller, people will hang around till the end to hear the end of that story, to see what the hook is, to see what the outcome is. You keep them on edge, wanting to know, how is this going to end? If you are a good storyteller, I would tell a story every day. You now have 4 to 5 videos that you can make. And one of the most popular, vlog. Whether you're staying the night at a friend's house, going to the mall, grocery shopping, hanging out at the park, a vlog video will show people what you're doing. They want to see a little bit into your life, especially if you do have a little bit of a following. They want to see what's going on. What do you like? What are your favorite foods? What are your favorite places to visit? Even right now during the pandemic, people want something to watch. So a vlog, you can never go wrong with that. You can go on the TikTok Discover tab, TikTok Fashion Month, Valentine's Day, which is just past, of course, depending on when you're watching this, Stop Asian and Pacific Islander Crimes, hashtag Perfect Match. There's all kinds of trends, Black History Month. And of course, Creator Portal. So if you don't know something on how to do something, what do you want to learn? This is how you get real good at making TikToks. TikTok Creation Essentials, Foundations for Success, TikTok content strategy, community guidelines, this way you don't get banned, and getting paid to create. There's tons of info that can show you how to get better so that your account is growing. And then this will help you get to that 1,000 followers and be on your way to where you want to go. There is also comedy videos. If you are good at making people laugh, make comedy videos, whether it's just you, whether it's a split screen of you and yourself wearing different outfits. This also helps with engagement on your profile, because chances are if you make them laugh, they're going to comment on your video, and they're probably likely to rewatch it and share it, which is also going to boost your watch time and get you more followers. After you post a video, wait about 15 to 20 minutes. You may have heard me say this before, but after 15 minutes, you will generally know after you post that video if it's on the For You page in about 15 or 20 minutes. From my experience, this is when my views triple and when my comments triple and my likes on the video triples. When they don't after 15 or 20 minutes, I know that it's not on the For You page. I see this all the time. Let me know in the comments if after 15 or 20 minutes of you posting a video, if you notice your views tripling, your comments, and your likes. Or if you don't notice that, let me know in the comments right now. The quickest ways to get you more followers on TikTok is by sharing your videos on other social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Just sharing a screenshot, a thumbnail, an image, the actual video. People will see it and say, I didn't know they had a TikTok, instantly gaining your following. If your video doesn't go anywhere, usually it's probably the title that you gave it or the caption. So I would leave it up there, wait about a month, and repost that same video, change the title and the caption, and I'm sure you will get a different result. Hey guys, let me know in the comments below, what are you gonna try from this video? What are you gonna implement right now? If there's anything that you heard for the first time, and hey, how is your account doing? I wanna know. Make sure you leave your TikTok profile username in the comments so I can go check you out and hopefully give you some feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on TikTok. Comment on one of my videos and let me know, hey, I watched your YouTube video. I came from YouTube. Let me know. I definitely want to make sure that I can check you out also and comment on one of your videos.